In front of me is Emporia SMART Mark point 5, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google and passwords. Following that, tap on any password that you wish to delete and enter your current screen lock. Then hit the delete button next to the added one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!